Ellen A. Shapiro, Esquire, licensed in Massachusetts and Rhode Island, is a principal and co-founder of Goodman, Shapiro & Lombardi, LLC. Ms. Shapiro has 25 years' experience in community association law. She oversees the statutory lien enforcement process for collecting delinquent common fees for the Massachusetts office, while advising boards on community living issues. Ms. Shapiro served 2 terms on the Board of Directors of the New England chapter of Community Associations Institute, including one as president. She is a frequent speaker and author, and a member of the Board of Directors of Condominium, the official chapter magazine.
In Massachusetts, the first step in commencing statutory lien enforcement proceedings is to send the unit owner a statutory notice of delinquency. This is typically done when the unit account is either 60 or 90 days in arrears, but in no event earlier than 60 days. If payment or a payment plan is not received, a unit title is ordered and reviewed to learn the names and addresses of not only the holder of the first mortgage on the unit, but any other parties in interest who might need to be notified of the arrearage. Other parties in interest would be a second mortgage holder, such as a bank which has granted the unit owner an equity line of credit. It is important to notify these institutions because, unlike the limited priority for 6 months over the first mortgage, the condominium's lien for unpaid common expenses has a complete priority over any second mortgages. In other words, should we have to sell the unit to satisfy a judgment, we would wipe out the second mortgage holder, as it is unlikely there would be any money left to pay a second mortgagee the balance of the sales price after first paying the association's lien, which includes all legal fees, collection costs, advertising costs, and foreclosure costs. Therefore, notice of the unit owner's delinquency is provided to second mortgagees so that they can decide what steps, if any, to take in order to protect their mortgage. If the unit's account arrearage remains unpaid for 6 months, we then file a complaint in court to obtain a judgment and order for sale of the unit. The filing of the complaint preserves the 6-month limited priority period which the association's lien has over the first mortgage. The case then proceeds through the judicial system and ultimately a foreclosure sale.
For more information on these and other related subjects, contact the partners at Goodman, Shapiro & Lombardi, LLC. Their toll-free number is 877-241-1600, or go to their website at www.goshlaw.com. Goodman, Shapiro & Lombardi, LLC. The right attorneys to call before the wrong thing happens.